Okay, good morning. No, so this morning we are going to you are going to prepare. What's ang damon? We are going to bake cupcake. It's because unsa atong lesson all about dessert, no? And when are you going to eat dessert? After meal, no? After meal. What are we going to eat before meal? Appetizer, very good. Or ginayon nga pampagana. Unsay distinction of dessert? Unsay lasag dessert? Sweet. Okay, very good. Okay, hello, good morning. So this morning, you are going to bake cupcake, no? As part of the lesson nato nga dessert. Kano sa kanon ng dessert? Unsay lasa dessert? Okay, that's very good. Unsay kanon before meal? Okay, very good. Kinsa may naka-discover an appetizer? Unsay unang mga appetizer? Kakos. So muna gipangkaon sa unang panahon, right? Okay, you're almost done, no? And we're going to put our cupcake inside the oven. Preheated oven sa because inyo namang preheat or gipainit na ato ang oven. Okay, you're almost done there, no? Because we are going to put that inside the preheated oven, right? Okay, no? So while preparing, I'm going to ask few questions. Okay. Why do we need to put oil there? Kanang sa lalom sa pan. Parang dili mo stick or mo tapot ang atong cupcake, right? That's very good. Inyo na bang gitilawan? Tamis ba? Unsa man siya dough butter? Butter, no? Combination of flour, water, and all the ingredients, no? O nga something basa-basa. So mo na butter. Kung dili basa-basa unsa ending? Correct. Para sa pan. And that is dough. Finally, we are here, no? It is perfectly baked, no? So nalipay na mo class? Yes. Sa output, no? We will check kung sa lami no sakto ra ba iyang lasa, right? Pero so far lami ka siya gitsura, no? And sure man puta nga lami ni kay ato man tong gitilawan kaniya, di ba? Ang butter, right? Yes.